guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to take you through this course that I'm going to teach you. It is about HTML crash course for the beginners in 2022. One thing you should know is that if you want to be a good programmer, you need to start from the basic, and you need to understand some of the few things that are there so that you can learn better. And I can assure you, by taking my course, you'll find out that I'm going to tackle each tag that I'm going to introduce to you in HTML in a very simple manner, and I'll be going step by step. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to learn some few things, some terminologies that is used in HTML or programming, and it is going to really assist you to upgrade you from where you are. You might be a beginner, you're wondering, how well can I learn HTML? But I will assure you, if you take my course until you finish it, you'll be able to code in HTML in a very easy manner. Then after that one, we'll go into tackle another programming language, which will be in part 2 of this. That will be a CSS. And then after that, we're going to learn another programming language, slowly but slowly. So I'm going to assure you that by taking my course, you're going to really learn a lot. So in this course, I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to introduce the topics that we're going to learn, so that you'll be able to weigh how it is going to be. So first of all, I've prepared a course outline as follows. So in this course outline, you'll find that the first thing we're going to do is introduction. So in this introduction, we're going to tackle on whom is this course intended to, why take this course. We're going to see what is HTML, and then we're going to see which tools to use for programming in this. So there's so much tools, but we're going to pick one at least. And then how do we access the internet? I'm going also to teach you that. I know you already know how to navigate, but maybe there's some few things that maybe you might not know, but through this course you might learn. Okay? So the second topic we're going to cover is the HTML structure. You really need to understand what is the structure of it and or know it all. So we're going to know the structure of HTML, and then we're going to introduce the tags and elements, and then we're going to write our first page in that second topic. The third topic we're going to do is text, and in the text we're going to tackle the headings, the paragraphs, putting bold, italic, putting emphasis, and using strong. And then we're going to learn about the white space in HTML, the line breaks and horizontal rules. The fourth topic we're going to tackle is lists in HTML. And then there are 3 types that we're going to see in this topic. One is an ordered list, there is ordered list, and then there is nested lists. The 5th topic that we're going to cover is links, and we're going to learn various types of links. The 6th topic we're going to cover is tables in HTML, and we're going to see how do we create tables in HTML, how we put table headers, how we use we put columns and rows so that they can create a cell. So we're going to do also that. Another topic we're going to cover is images. So in this topic, we're going to see the image formats which are out there. We're going to see how to add images in our HTML or in our website, and then we're going to see how we can put the height and the width in it so that we can at least reduce it or make it bigger or larger. The 8th topic that we're going to cover is putting audios and The eighth topic that we're going to cover is about adding audios and videos in our website. And then in that, so we're going to see how we add audios, videos, and how we're going to embed YouTube videos in our website. And then we're going to see how we can put the height and width of the video, either to put in a section or make it bigger, smaller, all that. After knowing how to put audio and videos, we're going to learn about tables in HTML, how we can create tables, how we put table headers and columns and rows. And then another topic will be on forms. So we're going to see how we can create forms in HTML, how we learn about the form structure, the form control, and the form validations. Another topic will be, as a programmer, we need sometimes to put comments in our HTML. You might find that the code that you have written is very, very big and large, covering thousands of lines or so, and sometimes you just need to put comments. So I'm going to show you how to put the comments and why do we use comments in HTML or any other programming language which are out there. Another topic will be about use of div. So we're going to see why do we use div. Another topic is on iframes. We're going to see how to use the iframes in the HTML. I'm going to learn more about that later on as we progress through. Then another topic is about the special characters that are found in HTML. Those are the topics that I'm going to cover, and thank you for listening to me and welcome to my tutorials. So after this course outline, now we are going to do some practicals and theories in it, so that at least you know what you are doing. I'm not a kind of person that you're just going to code. I will really explain into details what needs to be done, so that at the end of this course, you'll be a good programmer in HTML. Then after that one, I'll create another tutorials for CSS, so that we'll try to combine the HTML and CSS, and I'll see we can go about it. So asante sana, thank you, and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe so that even others can benefit from this course. Thank you.